I'll show you how to connect your Insta360 X4 to a DJI Mic Mini for the best audio quality at a very affordable price. I'm not talking about Bluetooth here. I'm talking about the much better audio quality using the DJI Mic Mini receiver. But wait, you say there's no connector for that, and the mic receiver fits horizontally so you'd be able to see it. This video shows you how you can solve these problems, and the solution is super cheap. In order to use an external wireless mic with the X4, you need the dedicated mic adapter, and then you need something that the mic receiver can attach to whilst keeping it in the stitch line of the X4. And then you need to connect the cable from the mic adapter connected to the USB port of the X4 to the mic receiver being held in the stitch line of your X4, all while staying invisible. Now, the standard solution for this has been using Rode wireless mics. There are lots of adapters for the Rode wireless receiver with its square shape and standard connector that makes it an excellent solution. But these mics are not cheap, especially for the more expensive versions. Now, let's talk about the DJI Mic Mini. This is a cheap wireless mic solution. It's not as good as the Rode wireless mic, even a cheaper version, but it's pretty good anyway. Check out my video review if you're interested, and I've got one for the Rode Wireless Pro too, all in the description. Anyway, the problem when using the DJI Mic Mini with the X4 is that there has been a distinct lack of third-party mic receiver holders that work with the X4. That Rode wireless mic adapter won't work here. So I thought it would be really cool to see if I could find a 3D printed receiver holder for the DJI Mic Mini that works with the Insta360 X4. I wonder if anyone has made one of these. It turns out someone had. So I found it, downloaded the print file, and sent it to my local library that has a 3D printing service. I know, amazing. They queued it up and they did it by the end of the day. I picked it up and paid the grand sum of 60 cents. That's in New Zealand currency, so maybe that's 40 cents in US money, which is like nothing, right? And here's the thing. The design was a little rough and I had to prise a couple of bits off, like a bit of plastic still covering the hole for the tripod thread. And the connector to the receiver is pretty tight, but it actually works like a charm. So let's have a spin around the video recorded to see if you can see the receiver in the stitch line. Here's what it looks like when it's attached to the camera, receiver, and the USB mic adapter for the X4. And here's what the video looks like, and then what the video sounds like when using the DJI Mic Mini receiver and the transmitter when out and about, reframing that video. Okay, this is me with the X4. And I have just got it on stereo mode here with nothing else attached, no other mics, and I'm here in the center of Wellington, and yeah, you can compare the sound here, and let's see what it sounds like with the next comparison. Okay, this time I've got the DJI Mic Mini, but this time it's connected via Bluetooth. So what does that sound like compared to what you just heard, which is the native mics on the X4 on stereo mode? So this is with Bluetooth on the DJI Mic Mini, and now let's try with this new receiver. And what does the sound like? All right. This time we have the DJI Mic Mini with the receiver plugged in using the mic adapter for the Insta360 X4. It's a little bit breezy, but I've got this connected here now, and that's not a Bluetooth connection, that's with a receiver connection. So what does this sound like compared to what you just heard? I imagine it's sounding pretty good. I'm hoping it's sounding pretty good. Let me know what you think in the comments. All right, let's go. This is a great solution, which I thought you'd love to hear about. What do you think? I've included a link to the original creators page. Adrian reviews things, so you can investigate and thank them yourself if you decide you want to print one out too. Enjoy, and I'll see you in the next video right here.